today I'm going to tell you how they score a bull ride. I'm Tyler Kijac, and this is TK Pro Rodeo.
The wildest show in the West.
Yeah. Well, we hire 2 judges at our rodeos. They'll be on either side of the arena. Each judge, when a ride happens, they're judging the bull 1 to 25 on difficulty, and they're judging the rider on 1 to 25 on his control, ability, style, for a possibility of 50 points on each side, making the biggest score possible 100 points. A good score, or pretty common, is between 80 and 85. Kind of the pinnacle and higher is, 90 points and above. 100 points has only been obtained 1 time ever. A lot of people ask us about our judges and how that works. We're a dually sanctioned rodeo company, so we put on IPRA rodeos, ACRA rodeos, mid-states rodeos, and PRCA rodeos, and all of them are a little bit different. So at the IPRA, ACRA, and mid-states rodeos, we hire our own judges, okay? So there's a directory of approved personnel of judges. We go ahead and we just hire 2 of them. In the PRCA, when you send in your sanction form for the rodeo, the office sends you 2 judges, so you have no authority over them. You have no influence on, you're writing their check in a sense, and they think it makes it a little more fair that way. That's our take on judges. We're having a blast doing these videos out here and taking you and showing you a glimpse into our lifestyle. But for us to keep doing them, you gotta like and subscribe. Until the next one.